This traffic stop starts like a routine speeding citation, but within minutes, it spirals into a full-blown arrest. A driver insists she doesn't understand the paperwork. Deputies insist it's mandatory, and what begins as confusion turns into defiance, threats of jail, and a moment that changes everything. Was this escalation unavoidable, or did both sides miss a chance to slow things down? Watch closely, because every word here matters.
Vermont and Strauss, Florida tag, George David, Tom 04, GGDT 04 on a blue Infinity.
Hello, Debbie Davidson, Sheriff's Office. The reason why I'm stopping you, had you at 85 miles an hour coming into the 45.
Excuse me?
Yeah, you were at 85 miles an hour, and you actually encroached into the 45 mile an hour zone.
Back there it says 55.
Even if the speed limit back there is 55.
Yeah, that's what I was going on.
No, you're going 85. Yeah, you're cruising. Do you have your license on you?
Sure.
This section now is 45.
Right, because I'm almost home. I've done, okay.
Thank you. Everything good with your license? No outstanding tickets or anything like that?
Yes.
I'll be right with you.
Central on 31 northbound. I'm passing fire department following.
10-4. They don't advise
Here's your
me
license.
call.
Sorry. So this is a citation for that speed, okay? The 85 and the 45. It does not go in. So with that, you don't get any of the three options. You have to contact this number on the front and schedule a court hearing, okay? It doesn't allow me to give you a fine amount, alright? All I need from you is a signature.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Deputy Davidson. It's right there on the bottom of the citation right there.
You didn't hear what I asked. Yeah.
You said, what is my name? I said,
No,
it's Deputy Davidson.
I did not ask you that.
Okay.
Sir. You said that I have to go for a court hearing. I said, what do you mean by that?
It means you got to contact that number and schedule an appearance in front of the judge. The speed is too great for me to issue a fine amount because you're over 30 miles an hour over the speed limit.
4 juveniles on the riding choice in the roadway. One appears to be in Denver.
Okay.
So all I need is a signature from you. It's not saying you're guilty. It's just saying you're going to contact that number and schedule a court date. That's all.
I'm not sure if I should sign anything that I'm not
Well,
supposed to.
I'm just going to tell you, a refusal to sign a citation is an arrestable offense.
So you're going to arrest me because I do not understand what you're talking about?
I don't understand what you don't know what I'm saying to you. I had your speed at...
Hold on, let me call my...
Okay, so this is the deal. You were doing 85 miles an hour
hold on a second,
and a
sir.
45.
I just told you I am making a phone call.
Listen, I'm not here to make phone calls.
Okay, so you want me to sign something that I'm not comfortable with? And then I said, let me
You're signing?
Because you said you're going to arrest me for something that I do not understand why you're going to arrest me for. So I need to call my family member.
You don't have to call your family member.
Yes,
You're an adult.
I do, sir.
No, you don't.
No, yeah, sir.
I'm telling you right now.
Legal right. I have my rights.
Okay,
my rights
driving is a privilege, not a right. We're going to start out with that. So, again, you were doing 85 miles an hour and a posted 45 mile an hour speed limit.
I said I was not. I was 55.
We're not going to argue road sign. That's something that you go to a judge.
Correct.
And in this case, you don't get three options like a normal speed citation. You get the option of calling the number and scheduling a court hearing. At that time, you can make your argument with the judge that you were not speeding. Okay? That's the time that you get to argue. You don't get to argue roadside. Okay?
I'm not arguing with you, sir.
You are arguing with me.
Okay.
Okay?
So you're going to arrest me because I'm not arguing with you?
I'm not saying you're not. I'm not saying I'm arresting you for not agreeing. I'm saying if you fail to sign a citation for a court date.
I am picking up the citation. I will go to the court, but I'm not signing something that I do not understand.
Okay. Do you want my supervisor to explain this to you? He's right behind me.
Do you want me to call my family member? Because it's right on the phone.
Nothing what your family is going to say is going to change what I'm about to tell you.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, I would understand them better than you.
Hey, Traffic 6, you want to come over here?
Because you said you're going to arrest me for calling my family member?
I didn't say I was going to arrest you for calling your family member. I said I would arrest you for not signing, saying that you're going to show up to your court date.
You cannot arrest me for that, sir.
I'm going to let you talk to my supervisor. He's going to tell you that I can arrest you for not signing the citation.
No, you cannot arrest me for that.
All right. It's called failure to sign a summons.
No.
Okay.
No.
I'll be right with you. You can't leave.
Yes, I can leave.
You want to go to jail today. You want to go to jail today.
Shoot me there. Shoot me.
You want to stop your car and put it in park right now.
Okay.
Get out of the car right now.
I'm not.
Get out of the car.
No, you
get
cannot.
out of the
No,
car.
I'm not.
Hey.
Don't swear at me. Don't swear at me.
Ma'am.
You're not, sir.
Stop.
He's not allowed to open my vehicle.
Yes, he is allowed.
No, he's
telling
not.
you. Why are you driving away from a traffic stop?
Because I'm talking to him. He walked away from me.
I said
He didn't.
right
No, sir. I was talking to him.
So you would drive
and
away
he-
while he's got your driver's license and all your
No,
paperwork?
He gave me my driver's license. He gave me my paperwork. And then he told me something that I don't agree with. He said, if you do not agree with that, I said to you, you will go to jail. I said, no. I want to call my family member to see why I'm going to jail for. I'm a citizen in here. What am I going to jail for? You give me a citation, sir. You give me a citation, sir. I said I will comply. I gave you my license and everything. So now you tell me you're going to put me to jail.
So, wait, was it 30 over?
85 and a 45.
Okay, so
sir,
yeah, so
I was doing 55.
Hey, listen, it doesn't matter if you're doing 55. It doesn't matter. You have to sign that.
Sir.
Yeah, you're not going to sign it? Yes or no?
No.
Okay.
And then I will go to the judge.
Okay.
I will
Listen,
go to the
do me a
judge.
favor. No,
Sir.
take your hand off of me.
Sir, I'm not putting
Step
my
out
hands
of the
on
car.
you.
Step
No,
out of
sir.
the car.
No.
You're going to jail. Step out of the car. You're going to jail.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a
Come on,
minute.
is she
Okay,
in
let me
park?
sign the paper.
It's
Let me
too
sign
late,
the paper.
man.
Too late.
Too late. You're going to jail. Step out of the car. You're going to get tased in about 2 seconds. Step out of the car.
Wait a minute.
You're
Whoa.
going to jail.
Wait a minute. Why y'all doing this?
Yeah, we are.
Okay, wait.
Put your hands behind your back.
Wait a minute.
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest. You are under arrest. Put your hands behind your back.
Traffic 6, center.
This is not right.
10-4-1
This is not right. This is not right. This is not right. Sir, this is not right.
Okay, you were.
Sir, this is not right. You just
Listen,
punched me
you
on
were
my face.
ordered.
Sir, you just
Explain.
punched me on my
Listen
face.
to me. No, nobody punched you in your face. Say it's all.
So I can fucking
Stop resisting.
I'm not
You're gonna get your resisting charge.
I'm not
your hands
doing
behind
Put your
anything.
hand behind your back.
I am.
I don't. What are you reaching for?
I'm not reaching for anything.
Anyway, blue team's on this too.
You punched me on my face for no reason.
Nobody
Listen,
punched
nobody
you.
punched you.
Okay.
We gave you several
I'm
lawful
recording
orders
on
to exit. We're recording it too. You were
Okay.
given several lawful orders to exit your vehicle.
No, you did not.
Yeah, I told you to step out.
Alright, we're gonna go to the black car.
Can you not push me? No,
You
can
are
not
under
push me?
arrest.
Can you not? Can I put my shoes
Sir.
on? Can I put my
I'll
shoes
go
on?
get your
sir?
shoes. Is she the RO?
Yes.
Traffic 6-0.
But take your license.
No. These are my property.
Yes,
This
it's
is
gonna
my
go with
property.
you.
No.
You can go and run the
I want
RO
it,
while I
sir.
find the arrest for resistance.
Let go
Sir, can
of
I
your
have my
license.
property, sir? Sir.
Hey, let go of it. You're under arrest. You can't have anything. You are under arrest, ma'am. Listen to me. Don't make it any harder than it has to be. You're under arrest. You're going to jail. That's it.
Okay, can I have my wallet?
We will
You-
get your wallet.
We'll get all your stuff. Did you make sure she don't? I mean, we can't search it, but
Wait a minute. What are you doing?
all right.
Why are you
Make sure you don't
following
have
me?
any
Why are you
weapons on you.
following me, sir? Why are you touching my boob?
No one's touching you. Have a seat.
Okay, don't push me like that.
No one's pushing
That
you.
was so rude.
You're being rude.
No, you were given several orders. You
No,
didn't.
I
You
was
didn't
not,
comply.
though.
We're gonna
I was not.
seatbelt you, okay?
Don't
Hey,
touch
put your
me,
rear
though.
camera on. Okay, watch. I'm gonna reach over and grab your seatbelt. Is your camera on?
Did you put your camera on when you punched me though?
Sit back for me, please.
I am sitting back.
Okay, I need to reach around you.
Sir, can you stop pushing me, please?
Where's your, hold on.
Sir, can you stop pushing me?
You want to hand it to me?
So you don't like black folks, huh? Is that what it
I
is?
see that.
Because I didn't do
Maybe my
anything.
wife is black. How do you not know that?
Like I said,
How do you not know
I
that?
did not do anything.
Okay.
For you guys
But
to
why do you
manhandling me like that.
automatically
For you to manhandling me like that.
They were explaining you have to sign the option or it's jail. And
He
you
told
said
me
no.
he told me that. I said I don't understand what he's saying. I just need somebody to explain to me what he's saying. And then you called you, push me, punch me on my face, and then put me in here for what? What have I done wrong? Okay, that thing is really tight. It's breaking my arm.
It's breaking. Well, sit
No,
back.
the handcuff.
Okay. They're not comfortable. They're not designed to be comfortable. Traffic 6. Jesus.
So
She just.
I got my camera still running because I'm inventorying.
Yes,
So I
absolutely.
had her for 85 and the 45.
Mm-hmm.
Gave her the 30 over. I told her, I explained it numerous times. I said, because she thinks she was only doing 55. So I told her, if you refuse to sign, I will take you to jail. And then she said she wants to call her family. I said, no. That's not your options now. This is the speed. I explained it again and told her, if you fail to sign, you will go to jail. So she kept going. I'm like, you know what? You think I'm lying? I'll call my supervisor. And that's where we're at.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And I asked her point blank, and she said no. So, and she already
And
knew
then
her
I
options.
told her,
So at that point,
I
she was
told
under
her,
arrest.
don't leave. I'll be right back. Because I told her I was getting the supervisor.
Yeah.
And as soon as I turned around, she started driving away.
I saw that. Yeah.
So,
All right. Well,
Ultimately,
listen. I'll do the tow sheet. You just want to run her to jail, and I'll handle
I just wanted
this?
to make sure I got everything of value.
Yeah. Just take her. I guess just take her purse.
Yeah, I got her purse. I found another phone in there.
Okay. Make sure there's no large sums of money, narcotics, or anything like that. All right.
So what would happen to my car?
It's going to get towed. I'll give you a tow sheet of where it's going.
Can I please call somebody to come and pick it up? My friend lives right around the corner.
That option is no.
I just came from visiting my mother's house with some food and stuff. I'm not a criminal. I was just uncalled for. If I didn't understand something, I asked you to explain it. I was gonna call somebody to explain it. And then you guys manhandle me like that. That wasn't nice.
I explained it to you multiple times. Why you were pulled over. Why you had to sign this.
Because you told me that I'm gonna go to the place, and I was gonna go to take care of that.
No, you were supposed to sign the citation.
Because I did not understand. I never had to do that. They gave me a citation, that was it. And then I would go to the court.
Over the speed limit, you don't have an option.
She was charged with refusing to sign a summons and resisting without violence. She was sentenced to a pretrial diversion program requiring 100 hours of community service, a 4-hour driving course, a 16-week anger management course, and 2 apology letters.
Let's break down exactly what happened here, because this case isn't really about speeding anymore. It's about communication, legal authority, and how fast a situation can unravel when confusion meets resistance. The stop itself is legally straightforward. According to the deputy, the driver was clocked at 85 miles per hour in a 45 mile per hour zone, which places the alleged speed more than 30 miles over the limit. In many jurisdictions, once a driver exceeds that threshold, officers cannot issue a roadside fine. Instead, the citation becomes a mandatory court appearance. That's why there's no dollar amount listed, only instructions to contact the court. And here's the key point many drivers misunderstand. Signing a citation is not an admission of guilt. It's simply a promise to appear in court or otherwise handle the charge. Refusing to sign doesn't make the ticket disappear. It escalates it. In this case, the deputy repeatedly explains that refusal to sign is an arrestable offense known as failure to sign a summons. Where things begin to go sideways is communication. The driver repeatedly says she doesn't understand what she's being asked to sign and wants to call a family member for clarification. From her perspective, this feels like caution. From law enforcement's perspective, roadside phone calls aren't part of the process, and delaying compliance becomes refusal. At this point, we see a classic roadside conflict. The argument isn't about facts anymore, it's about control of the encounter. The deputy states clearly that disputes over speed limits and signage are for a judge, not the shoulder of the road. The driver insists she wasn't going 85 and believes that disagreement should pause the process. Legally, it doesn't. The moment that seals the outcome happens when the driver refuses, clearly and verbally, to sign the citation. After that refusal, the deputy warns her multiple times of arrest. When she then begins to drive away while officers are still engaged in the stop, the situation escalates immediately. From a legal standpoint, driving away from an active traffic stop, especially while an officer still considers the encounter ongoing, creates probable cause for additional charges. That's why we see officers ordering her out of the vehicle, threatening use of a taser, and ultimately placing her under arrest. The driver claims she was punched and mishandled. Officers deny this, stating all force used was the result of her refusal to exit the vehicle and comply with lawful commands. Bodycam footage becomes crucial here, not just for accountability, but for context. Officers repeatedly give verbal commands, warn of consequences, and document the encounter on camera. Emotionally, this is where the case becomes volatile. The driver expresses fear, disbelief, and anger. She repeatedly states, "This is not right," a phrase we often hear when someone feels overwhelmed by authority they don't fully understand. Officers, on the other hand, remain procedural, focused on compliance, control, and safety. In the end, the legal outcome reflects the escalation. The driver is not convicted of the speeding charge in this footage, but she is charged with refusing to sign a summons and resisting without violence. Instead of jail time, the court opts for a pre-trial diversion program, a resolution often used for first-time or low-level offenders. That program includes 100 hours of community service, a 4-hour driving course, 16 weeks of anger management, and 2 written apology letters. This outcome suggests the court acknowledged the seriousness of the incident without labeling the driver a criminal long-term. So what's the takeaway here? First, roadside arguments almost never help. Even if you believe the officer is wrong, the place to fight that is in court, not during the stop. Second, misunderstanding the law doesn't exempt you from it. Refusing to sign paperwork you don't understand can still carry consequences. And third, escalation works both ways. Once trust breaks down on either side, things can move from calm to chaotic in seconds. Now we want to hear from you. Do you think this arrest could have been avoided? Should officers allow brief phone calls in situations like this? Or does that undermine control of the stop? And where should the line be drawn between confusion and refusal? If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom and body cam breakdowns. We'll see you in the next case.